So today we are here at the Houston Interactive Aquarium and Animal Preserve. So as you see, we have an awesome lemur at the entrance. So we're going to go in today and see exactly what this place is all about.
That's pretty neat. Lemur tail. Sage has been eaten by a clam.
That's what a mermaid would do. I'm not a mermaid. I'm a land person.
There you go, Sage. Really? You got a duck just, a little duck just hanging out back here. There you got a camel.
What is that?
A little pig over here just taking a nap.
It's a pig. It's a piggy. Oh my
What's
goodness,
that?
this is so cute. Why does it look like bacon? Ostrich.
That's just laying there.
I'm cute. The ostrich. It's a bird.
A little ball back here for this guy.
Aww. So cute.
You guys are just going to town over here on some hay. Little guy just in there snoozing. That's a cute little one.
Oh no, I love that.
Hey, little fella.
Lemur.
Okay, so now we're talking about trading in chickens for these fluffy ones.
Yeah, the fluffy ones are better.
If you want that, then you gotta give it to the
They want a fluffy chicken.
I want a fluffy chicken. I want a fluffy chicken without giving up Brenda and Brownie.
Here we go. This guy here just lounging around.
I like to be on camera.
He's just like, hi, dude.
Tegu.
Say, Tegu. Want your close up? This little guy here is just enjoying the being on camera. Hi. A good sized lizard. Hey, big guy. I don't know how much this is gonna pick on you, but you're a big old boy, ain't you? Got a warthog. He's just hanging out over here.
Kind of how I got it.
You're going a bit too slow, bro, so don't go too fast. Actually, wait just a while, please.
I'm gonna stay a bit closer to Prince as well.
She's tamed the beast.
Soaking it back.
Lemur keepers, come in, lemur keepers.
Hey, big guy.
He's bigger than.
These guys. This big old guy just snoozing. We're in here with goats and some alpacas, and this big old tortoise is just back here snoozing in the shade.
Can I pet these?
Looks like this big girl's about to have a baby though. Hey mama, you gonna have a baby?
Remember, 2 fingers.
You have a baby? Nice little park. Nice little barn for him to just hang out in. I like this little pyramid for them to climb on. Tree stumps, a teeter-totter, punching back from the headbutt, and a kissing booth. It's pretty cool.
I'm out of people.
Go ahead. Sage, go up there. You can go.
I'm scared.
Hold your hand let out.
Oh, okay.
Here.
Go ahead, Sage. Try it.
No, I
Here.
don't want to die.
Just hold your hand.
Here, just hold your hand out. Come on.
We all did it.
He ate all of the food in my hand in one bite, then he tried to bite me. Ow, 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 ow. My hand.
Thank you, Gerald.
I want to try to see the ones that won't take my
So
hand.
it's probably because we were in there.
Here, try
I
it.
did all the encounters with the people that
Yeah. They feel safer with us on the other side.
Go on, Sage.
Ow, ow.
Now, this is an aquarium. It's like a small ocean here in this. Digging the pirate dude up there, that's cool. Whoa. Got a stingray hanging out with me. So I got permission to be able to do this. Concrete Tulsa, really famous. That is supposed to be all this metal work in here, which is really cool. It's supposed to be a skeleton. If y'all were wondering, that's supposed to be a skeleton of what looks like, I don't know, maybe a dinosaur. The face looks like a plesiosaur. That's definitely neat. This is shark egg.
I got it right.
Jellyfish tank. Octopus hanging out here in the rock. Baby shark. Hey, what kind of shark are those? These are all shark eggs, and you got some little babies right there. Those are shark eggs? Yeah. Shark right there.
Shark right here.
Can they touch it? Let me try and touch it. Okay? I'm not. Okay, they can.
There's a bunch of doors.
That's a remora. That's a remora. They skip the shark. How did this be so fun? That's a pretty expensive blooper right here. Here's their bird room. That's a big aviary. Look at this. Wow. Got all kind of birds in there. Pretty cockatiel up there.
That's a bird.
Lovebirds. Yeah, it's a cockatiel. Got some lovebirds, lorikeets. There you go, guys. Got these guys all snoozing. I think Sage just said something about cuteness overload.
Cuteness overload.
Look, they're all just taking a nap. Look at this.
Cuteness overload.
Like 6 of these guys just all sleeping right here. Little dragon. There he is trying to climb up the tree. He's like, let me out of here. But they got sedge corners and turtles. Oh, they got an albino right here. And those got some big old cichlids over here. There's a nice little turtle enclosure. Little tortoise. Now there's a lot of parakeets.
Is that a chicken in there?
Well, there's a little chicken in there too. But that is a lot of parakeets. That's a chicken, at least keeps it clean.
I want to go in.
This little guy walking around eating.
Do something cute without food.
Looks like mom and her baby. Savannah monitor. I've had a few of these guys. Nice enclosure for that thing. Same thing. Cayman lizard. Or crocodile lizard. Those are cool. Oxalots down here and a little green bass telescope here. Now the cool thing on these lizards is they can run across the water.
You said you had one, right?
We've had a few of them.
It looks like
I know, I watched it and everyone was here. I want to say bye. Can you say bye?
Look at that one.
Look at it, bye.